Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and it's time again for rock guitar, basic rock guitar training. Today we talk about chord rhythm. So if you want to fulfill this tutorial, you should already be able to play the proper chords. There are tricks behind this, that these really sound the way they should, therefore check out the basic rock guitar training, just chord. Now we want to apply rhythm to it. Rock guitar is pretty much driven by precision. So it really makes sense to work out rhythm properly and as precise as possible. That's basically the idea behind today's tutorial, that you learn really the basic rhythm figures and really check them out, and also combine them with your technique, attacking the chords, and also every note has a beginning and also an end. So you have to have a precise beginning and a precise end. Okay, so when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, that the chord comes really precise on the one and the way it should sound. And we're playing with the chords E5, G5, D5 and A5, and it's also really important that you feel the rhythm with your body, you know, that you really 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that you feel the rhythm, you feel the music, and you put the chord exactly on the one. That, if you never done this before, it's not so easy as you might think. Really have to train this, because there's so many different things you need to do, and you probably forget to really check out if you're precise or not. So this is really important, that when you do it from the beginning in a precise way, then you will skip a lot of later problems, where you don't need to fix it later again. But if you don't do this now, you have to fix this later, I promise. So as already said, the chords are not really hard. As I say, E5, G5, D5, A5. Now, as already said, a chord has a beginning and an ending. So how do you end the chord? Also has to be precise. You damp with this part of the hand, you just 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we try to do something. Now we play the chord on the one of each bar, but we stop the chord on count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the stopping with this part of the hand has to come precise on the 4, and then we proceed. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's also important, even if you think that's too easy for me, try to make music, try to feel what you're doing, because you know a lot of songs, they have quite simple rhythm patterns or whatever, and the precision makes the magic of it. So even if it seems to be simple, try to feel and not try to just play, try to feel the whoosh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to really feel what you're doing, even the stuff probably seems to be easy. Now let's do, we play the chord on, we just play on 1, and then we stop. So then we stop on 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, oopsie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's going to be another spot where we stop, but it's the same movement. Try that everything flows natural. That's why I'm not going to close you. That you see it has to be a whole thing with your body, that you feel the rhythm. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I already said, try to make music in every second you have the guitar in your hand. We can, as another example, to highlight this even more, we play on 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will see that already starts a sound if you give it a quite good vibe in it. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Try to feel the music. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to feel, even if it seems to be easy. If you don't do it precise now, you have to fix this later. I promise, because I know it, because I didn't do that stuff precise, and later when I already was a professional, I needed to go back to the very basics to fix this, because I never did this before. So this is really something extremely important. Now we're going to play probably the most common rhythm pattern in rock or in any music. I would say it's the 1 and 2 and. So it's, you can 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 2 and 3, and we stop on 4. Okay, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. And this is already the way things are sounding when you do professional rock music. So this one is probably hard at the moment, but it's a good way to already start to do it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1. So well, the trick is you stop 1, on 2 you stop. 1, 2 and 3, 4. You really need to count, that you really figure out where to stop properly. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Always do music. You see, when you play this really precise, it sounds the way it should sound. In fact, as I said at the beginning of the tutorial, precision is key to rock guitar. Now let's do a last little exercise. So we make a lettering effect. We do the chord, but we just play 1 and 2, 3, and we stop on 4. So quite a similar rhythm, but we stop on 4 again with that technique, and we just play these ones here. 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, oopsie, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3. So counting is the key, and having all these movements, you have to grab the chord on time, you have to attack the chord properly, that it sounds properly. You have to figure out, you don't see the foot here, but with my live students I'm really in the ass with the foot, because the foot is the connection to the music, you know. You have to do it with the foot, and you need to count. So there's so many things to do at the same time. So if you think this stuff is easy and you've never done it before, you probably found out it's not so easy, because there are so many different things and everything has to be automatic, that you can at the end focus on making music. If you want to do music just with these simple things, all the things which I already mentioned have to work automatically, and that has to be trained. And that's what this tutorial is for. However, I wrote down the whole thing for you guys. I also strongly recommend that you learn rhythm notation, because this helps a lot to become as precise as possible. These files are available as guitar profiles and as PDF, plus this backing track which I created for you guys. It's all available in the HPCrazy Guitar community. Please join there. Please become a premium member in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. And also please subscribe to this channel here. It would be appreciated. And what else to say? Rock on, Bruce. Rock on, Garth. Yo.